Ever heard about BitDAO and wondered what it is? Well, let's unravel this mystery together. BitDAO is a fresh face in the realm of decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs for short. Its core focus, to champion the growth and evolution of decentralized finance and related technologies. Imagine a world where financial systems are transparent, open to all, and not governed by central authorities. That's the vision BitDAO is committed to. So are you ready to dive deeper into the world of BitDAO? Now that you know what BitDAO is, you might be wondering, what's the point? Well, let's dive right into it. BitDAO is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's an ambitious project with a clear mission: to propel the growth of the decentralized finance, or DeFi ecosystem. How does it plan to do this? BitDAO aims to serve as a support system for promising projects in the DeFi space. It offers financial backing in the form of grants, fostering innovation, and encouraging the development of novel solutions. But the support doesn't stop at funding. BitDAO also initiates strategic partnerships, providing these projects with an expansive network and a wealth of resources to tap into. So, you see, BitDAO isn't just about making transactions, it's about fostering a vibrant, innovative, and sustainable DeFi ecosystem. In essence, BitDAO is a catalyst for growth in the world of decentralized finance. But how does BitDAO achieve these ambitious goals, you might ask? Well, let's break it down. BitDAO operates like a well-oiled machine thanks to its unique operational structure. At its core, BitDAO is a decentralized autonomous organization, or DAO for short. This means it's governed by its token holders, who hold the reins of the organization's direction. Imagine a round table where everyone has a say. That's BitDAO for you. Each token holder has voting rights, and they can use these rights to make key decisions about the organization's future. These decisions could be about anything, from funding new blockchain projects to implementing changes in the organization's structure. Each proposal is put to a vote, and the majority rules. This democratic process ensures that every voice is heard and every token holder has a stake in the success of BitDAO. BitDAO is not just an organization but a community, driven by the collective will of its token holders. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned about BitDAO. BitDAO is a decentralized autonomous organization focusing on promoting blockchain technologies. Its purpose is to create a community that collaborates and makes decisions about investments in blockchain projects. It operates through a token-based system where token holders have a say in these decisions. As we move forward into the future of finance, BitDAO is set to play a pivotal role in shaping this exciting new world.